there's a red button just in case. There's a red button for trouble. Good job enough, does it? So Jim would say, "You move that right up."